I decided that I want to do a hard reset of my business, and I'm going to start selling everything off. It's been a while since the last time we spoke. Man, so much is going on. You guys probably are wondering why I haven't been posting on this channel, and to be completely honest with you, there's actually multiple reasons why. I'll go through a lot of those right now. Number one, post-surgery. I had surgery the end of last year, and I ended up getting an infection this year, and we cannot figure out what was causing it. And literally up to about less than a month ago, we finally figured out the issue. Antibiotics wasn't working, and so yeah, we finally got that. We got that taken care of. So now I feel better. Number two, my sports card business and sports card channel has been doing extremely well, and I'm expanding my business for sports cards, where I'm starting to set up a card shows. I have a lot more opportunities with that. One card show I can make, sometimes what I'm making a week on eBay, just in one day. So there's a lot more opportunity there when it comes to that stuff. Number three, to be completely honest with you, it's hard to do content, reselling, sports cards, all at one time as a one-person show. And unfortunately, it came down to trying to run 3 YouTube channels, do a podcast, do my reselling business. I was getting a little burned out with that. So I decided to cut out the flipping and punching channel because honestly, I just wasn't having fun making what sold videos. They felt more of a hassle than anything. All right, so it kind of got to the point where I needed to take a step back to reassess what I'm doing with my business. And I'm gonna show you guys here in a second too. And I honestly feel like I just kind of need a hard reset with things. I probably will still post some stuff on this channel. It's gonna be periodically, and when I feel like I wanna post on here, not gonna be weekly or anything like that, not like it once was. I wanna make sure those videos actually have value for you guys if I do post on here. I decided that I want to do a hard reset of my business. And that brings us to why we're talking now. So we are heading to the storage unit. It's got to the point where I like sports cards because I could put a box of like 3,000 cards on a little box on a shelf. And if I had 3,000 items in my eBay store, just like items I've had at garage sales, it would take up like a whole entire garage. And I'm heading to my storage unit now. We are going to start clearing out some stuff for the storage unit, and I'm going to start selling everything off. I have a 2-car garage, 2 storage units, and we are going to cut down. Our goal over the next month or so is to get down to 1 storage unit because they keep raising my rent, and my rent just got raised again. And at this point, I'm just ready to move on from some of these items. And when you've been reselling long enough, you get to the point where you're just like, you know what? I just kind of need a hard reset and sell things off. And if you guys ever watched the Cincinnati Picker, John would do this maybe like every year or every other year, which he would just sell off his entire store and start fresh in the. I always saw when he put out those videos, and I thought it was very interesting when he did that. And I never thought, I was like, I can never do that. I would like to have my inventory and just keep growing my business, stuff like that. We just got to a point where we just have enough. All right, so we are at the storage unit right now. I got to go through here and pull some stuff out. And to be completely honest with you guys, I just want this stuff gone. It's gonna feel so liberating to just sell off a big portion of my eBay store. Have you guys ever dreamed of starting fresh? Like, think about this. If you started reselling 3, 4, 5 years ago, you made a lot of mistakes along the way. You guys bought stuff that you probably regret buying, or that you're just trying out different markets, and you wish that you could probably sell everything off and start fresh because you do things completely different. And that's what I'm doing. I just want to sell off a big portion of my inventory, get a nice big cash flow going, and then take that cash, either buy more inventory or buy stuff that I want to focus more on. And then what I want to do is free up some space. I plan on doing things a lot differently here going forward. So I thought this would be a very interesting, very intriguing video. And the first thing I'm getting rid of right now is a lot of my clothing. I bought clothing because it was cheap at garage sales. You can find it everywhere. I watched a lot of people like Rally Roots put out a lot of good information in the past about vintage clothing, stuff like that. But I went out and bought a lot of clothing and I made a lot of money on it. But then I also realized that when I was buying clothing, I was having my mother-in-law help me list it. And I absolutely hated listing clothing, measuring it and going through it. So I decided now I could free up 5, 6 totes and just blow up my inventory. So this Tuesday night, think it's 7 p.m. I'll put a link down in the description down below here. I'm gonna go live on Dibbit and I'm gonna start selling all my clothing. We're talking like Harley stuff, Lucky Brand, Miss Me jeans, brand new stuff with tags. Start everything at $2 and just blow it out. I don't even care. I just want it gone. There's Wrangler jackets in there that go for like $80, brand new with tags. A lot of good stuff in there. Vintage clothing, Disney, tons of stuff. So we're gonna start that at $2, but I'll show you why I'm gonna do that. And I think that's gonna be the first step to Operation CSO, clear shit out. This is a 10 by 20. There's a lot of stuff back there I gotta get through and pull out. I have a bunch of my eBay inventory listed back, but I mean, there's tons of awesome video game stuff, boxes and boxes of comic books. All this stuff's gotta go. So what I think I'm gonna do here first, we're gonna start with the clothing. There's a path back there to walk. I got shelving back there with stuff that's listed on eBay. So all these comic books are gonna be on a comic book show. And all these are gonna be in a future comic book show. We got enough there for that. We got a box of games over here. Actually games, yeah, there's games actually in here. So I don't know. Do you wanna bring that home and start off with? Oh, there's a lot of stuff in there. That might be a good starting spot. Ornaments, these are all gonna be, I'm gonna do a live Dibbit show, blowing out a bunch of that stuff. It's a box of mugs. So I probably want to bring this home here. I do see a bunch of games in there. That's an empty box, I think. Oh my God, there's so many games. So many games in here. Yeah, this needs to go home. I need to get these, start getting this all listed. So. Star Wars, SpongeBob, yeah, a lot of stuff to do decently. Castlevania, Rage. Why isn't this listed on eBay? All right, this is a good start. So that's a good start there. I'm gonna grab that tote. I'm gonna grab, oh, I also sold these. These are Chanel hangers. And we got, I think, so these for 75 bucks. I think it's a lot of 6 of them, 75 bucks. Those I paid, I think, $1 or $2 for those. So really happy. That's a huge come up on those. I want to clear out this first portion here and then combine my 2 units to get rid of the 1 unit. And that will save me hundreds of dollars a month. So if I come here every couple days, grab some stuff. What is this? I don't know, what is this? Oh my God, look at the wrestling figures. This is really cool stuff. Iron Sheik, yeah. So yeah, that's a start for me to get this stuff going. And then we're gonna start doing Dibbit shows each week, blowing out a lot of this stuff, probably 2 or 3 a week, to be honest with you. And I think we can sell off probably a good portion of this unit over the next couple of weeks. That's the goal. And then what we'll do is we'll stream them here on the channel. That way if you guys wanna come hang out and come watch, you guys can do that. Why are storage units always so creepy? Like literally, like at nighttime you come here, the lights just flashing. You're walking through the hallways. All right, so this is one of the bins. I mean, brand new Marvel shirts. This is vintage Disney. I mean, vintage Disney jacket. Here's some brand new Wrangler jackets. More brand new stuff. I mean, Dolce & Gabbana, like vintage jean jackets. This is just a little bit. We have 7 totes of stuff to go through. So come hang out with me, 7 o'clock Tuesday night on Dibbit. I'll put a link down in the description down below. Come hang out, come buy some stuff, have a good time. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time guys, make sure you guys keep flipping and punching.